to the channel. Today I'm going to show you, give you a long-term ownership review of this Crompton Trans Air 9 inches exhaust fan. I have purchased this fan in 2015 and installed it in 2016. So the fan, as you can see, it's been used in the bathroom since day one. Previously it was in a different bathroom, now moved up here. So you can just taking near to the exhaust. You can see the label of the exhaust fan. Trans Air 9, 1400 RPM, 9 inches, 225 mm, and 50 Hz single phase. You can see, aging is visible, and bearings are a little rough because bathroom fan, and I will show you a little bit from far straight up. And bathroom fan, typical rust, scratches. This hasn't been cleaned in a while, so bathroom fan rust is expected for sure, any bathroom fan. So I have bought many Transes used. Those are bathroom fans, most of them. They also have rusted because iron, it ages. The anti-rust coating fades like that. You can see the rubbers are in really good condition. Kitchen fan rubbers, these tend to melt, weaken and sag. Hence the fan sits cross. But here the fan is working really well. And for once, let's switch it on. Let's switch it off. So tight bearings, typical bathroom exhaust fan things. At least the bearings aren't bad as my other exhaust in the bathroom. So as you can see, once I have also replaced the capacitor because bathroom fan wasn't used, 5 years old. These exhaust, any fan comes with a plastic capacitor. They don't last more than 5 years if not used. So I've replaced the capacitor as well. And now the fan works properly, full speed, and is used a lot more than before. So basically, as you know, I have also unboxed a Crompton Trans Air 9 inches recently. And in that I mentioned about these bolts. Okay, so this is the 3-bolt version. You can see 1 bolt here, 1 bolt here, and 1 bolt here. Whereas in that one there was a bolt here, a bolt here, a bolt here, and bolt here. These are just 2 types of body fitments. The body fitment doesn't matter. The fan is working fine. Crompton Greaves, trusted brand. This fan has given no major troubles, no major repairs at all. Only basic thing like a capacitor and timely cleaning. Dust accumulation is, I don't like it on the fan. So the quality of the fan is also really awesome. So the exhaust fan in your local market, if you were to buy one, is around 1600 rupees. Trans Air 9 inches. 12 inches will be around 1800 rupees. Prices may vary from your local electric shop. So I will basically this is what I had to tell most of it. Fan is worth your money, no problems with the fan whatsoever. If you want to purchase it, you can, and if you have any queries, just put it down in the comment section below. I request all viewers who are interested to buy an exhaust fan can surely go for this. This is the most value for money, durable and best in the segment exhaust, because I have how many 5 Trans Air 9 inches and 2 or 3 or 4 12 inches fans. They're running really good. They have no major problems as I expected. because I have Almonad exhaust fan as well.
So the Almonards are Bush motors. They failed. They are garbages. So instead of going for Almonard, Orient, Polar, Usha, you guys may go for Crompton because Crompton is best and value for money exhaust fan, and it will last a long 30-40 years for sure. So guys, thanks for watching. Please like, share, comment, subscribe. See you in the next video.